Okay, so this is my bike. Right now, I'm running the Sunday Forecaster frame in 20.5. I really think the geo on this is dialed. It has a short back end, which makes spinning in manuals easier, and it feels really comfortable. For grips, I have the Cult Vans grips. They're my new favorite grips. They're really comfortable, and they don't slip, which I love about them. For bars, I have the Demolition PA bars. I really recommend them. They're not huge bars, but they're not small either. I have the Colony Official stem. Again, I'd really recommend it. It hasn't slipped in the year I've had it. For a headset, I just have my stock Salt headset that came with my We the People Zodiac. And for forks, I have the Fit Shiv 2 forks. My front wheel is a G-Sport rib cage laced to an E-Claw hub. I'm not sure which type though. For my seat, I have the premium fat seat with the kink seat post and the Sunday seat post clamp that came with my frame. For cranks, I have E-Claw tibia cranks. They're holding up to crank slides and stuff really well, so I'd recommend them. And for pedals, I have the Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, which I love. And for my chain, I have a Cult chain. Then for my back wheel, I have the G-Sport roll cage laced to another E-Claw hub. Again, I'm not sure which kind. And my bottom bracket is Odyssey. And then for pegs, I'm running 4 right now. I have 2 shadow on my right side and 2 kink on my left side. And lastly, for tires, I have the We the People Feelin' tires. They lasted longer than the frame that came with my We the People Zodiac, so I gotta give them props for that.